Today I make some coconut and oat balls with ingredients you may have at home. So you need some oat flakes, some coconut flakes, a little bit of sugar and yogurt. And it doesn't matter what kind of yogurt, you can use any kind of yogurt. Soy yogurt, coconut yogurt. So, and now mix it all together. First with a spoon, and later I prefer to use my hands. Knead it until you have a beautiful dough, and after this you should put it in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes, or you can even prepare it, and then later we make our balls. Now our dough is ready, it's almost sticky, and now you can make some beautiful balls. Again, use your hands, and they should look like this. And then put it into some coconut. It's a little bit like meditation. And then shake it. And now when they're finished, they look like this. And now you have a lovely sweet snack which is healthy and gives you some love. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any other recipes from Buchinger Wilhelmi you'd like to see, let us know and comment below.